Bam! The late adopter. Hi everybody, welcome to new Bitcoin Daily. How's everybody doing in the chat? Every day, single day at 9:30 Central European time, we do this Bitcoin Daily because we gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin, because it's affecting altcoin, it's affecting everything. So if Bitcoin is gonna go down, everything's gonna go down, and if Bitcoin's gonna go up, everything's gonna go up. So we gotta know what's happening. How you guys doing? Seeing a lot of green names in the chat. Debuting, Junk, Stanimir. Yeah, only 3 guys. Still, Ron is in the chat. Long time no see, Ron. How you doing, mate? Alif is also in the chat. Hi, Alif. How you doing? Rami is a bear. I see there. So, guys, are you excited about today? Not so very much. Yesterday we had a live stream where we said that, something's fishy going on. We had this very nice rising wedge up here, and right now it looks like we are breaking down on the rising wedge. So we're gonna examine that. How are you doing, the adopter? Doing okay, doing fine. Just like always, I'm doing fine, no problem. I'm always here. The bullish bear is always there. The bullish bear. That's a good name. Nihal is in the house as well. Okay, let's get into the charts, guys. And see what's actually happening over here. So, from yesterday's stream, this very nice rising wedge is actually breaking on the downside. We are hitting some kind of resistance here on the top, coming up to the wedge, going down, broke on downside. You can see here on the downside how this big red candle, like it was confirming kind of the move. Let's see, there is a little bit volume, like volume was going down as we were going up over here in the last part, and then as soon as we broke it, like volume kind of kicked in. It's not big volume, but it's enough to actually tell us that the trend line is actually broken. The trend line is broken. So I'm not quite sure if you're gonna go sideways over here or continue more out. Technically we should continue more down to something like 33 levels or something like that, but that can always change. There is also this this trend line up here that might actually have something to do with the fact that we are not yet down through the floor over here. So right now I think that's the support right now. I'm gonna move this line up here. I think that's the support right now. So if we want to go down, we will have to take this this trend line up here first. Support, resistance, support. So we'll be having to take this trend line first on the downside if we are going to continue going further down, which technically by the look of the wedge we should actually continue going down. I'm bearish until at least we get above 45. Yeah, that will, yeah, but when you get to 45 it's done. Like you already pumped like 30%, then you're going down. Retest of support, no big deal. Bottom will be 33 but no lower. On 4 hour we have a bearish divergence. I'll see that bearish divergence, man. I'll see that bearish divergence in a second. Just remove these lines. So is there any divergence here on the you can technically say that there is divergence here, but this is a bullish, this is a hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. This is a hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hourly where the price is going up. The price is going up and the RSI is going up. This is hidden bullish divergence. It should actually kick us towards the upside. Now, how much is going to kick us to the upside? It depends. Maybe we only go up to the wedge and then retest the wedge and then continue going down. That can be an option. I'm not saying anything. Let's see how this actually plays out on the 4 hourly, if there is any divergence on the 4 hourly. Now I don't see the divergence on the 4 hourly, so you're welcome to enlighten me with the divergence, but I don't see it. I don't see any divergence on the 4 hourly. There is divergence on the 1 hourly. I can see the 1 hourly divergence. Yes, the 1 hourly is pretty real, but I don't see it on the 4 hourly. I don't see it on the 4 hourly. Sasha and Honza, how you guys doing? Welcome to the chat. So the problem, guys, is the daily time frame and the 20 moving average You can see over here that we went above 20 moving average, closed above 20 moving average. Looks very nice, but unfortunately right now we are dumping a little bit. So it's not gonna take too much to get above 35,600, right, and be above the 20 moving average. Just like over here, you know, you pump, you stay above it, and you continue staying above it. You know, if we go right down the next day, and that's considered a rejection of the, just like over here, that's gonna be considered a rejection, and you don't want to have that. You don't want to have that. So we want to keep above the 20 moving average. Unfortunately right now it doesn't look like it's going to keep above 20 moving average, but we'll see. It's still 16 hours and 24 minutes left, so you know it's long time left to see if we can actually keep above 20 moving average or not on the daily. But we are not quite yet there. On the 4 hourly, technically we are still good, because we are holding the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. So right now we went down to the 4 hourly sport. We also had that where something like, yeah, there was something like this, some trend line over here, right? So we are also keeping this trend line over here. Let's put it up again. Something like, it's not perfect, but you know, it's some kind of trend line, right? So the trend line and the 20 moving average is right now holding us. We also have a hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. So this small move to outside, you know, it might actually continue a little bit to upside, but you know, if we cannot get back above the 200 moving average, you know, I think the 200 moving average and 20 moving average right now is going to be a fight between these two on the 4 hourly time frame over here, or just gonna break on one side or the other side. But we don't want to fall. Technically we don't want to fall below 20 moving average, and you know, it will be chaos if we fall below the 50 moving average. On the other hand, if we can get back above the 200 moving average, that's like the best case scenario, because you're, you know, above 200 moving average on the 4 hourly, also above 20 moving average on the daily. And especially the daily is really important, guys, because up here there is this resistance that we tried to break. We failed, but we held above 20 moving average, but right now we are dropping back down. So I would love to see today that we get some kind of pump above this 36,700 line. If we can break this line of resistance up here and at the same time get above the 20 moving average, yeah, sure, we are getting just the next resistance, but you know, that's expected. But it is a little bit more bullishness for the people, you know, and then we'll see if this 50 moving average is getting rejected. The big thing will be if we actually manage to get above the 50 moving average at the end of all of this. But right now, this move over here, it does not look that good, guys. It does not look that good. The 4 hourly, we are sitting on the support itself, so we're gonna see if we can actually manage to bounce off of this over here. But technically not quite there yet, still in this rising wedge. That's you know, we fell out of the rising wedge, so you know, the target should be something a little bit more down that it is now. But because we have this you know, hidden bullish divergence up here with the RSI, hidden bullish divergence, we are also holding some 20 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame. You know, we might see some kind of move to the upside. I think we might see some kind of move to the upside. What's up? We broke. Thank God I shorted Bitcoin. Can you look at 20 EMA daily? 20 EMA daily, it's like yeah, sure, I'll look at 20 EMA daily because it's not the same, right? EMA 20, yeah, it's the same. You know, my moving average is also breaking it. You know, the EMA is also being broken, and right now we are breaking through both of them. Laser Zero, welcome to TF Fans Club. Enjoy the green name, man. Enjoy the green name. Pump. This membership is cool. Yeah, of course, man. We are the best membership, man. TF Fans Club. If you're into TF guys, if you like technicals, you gotta join the club. Only super hyped members are allowed into the club. Do you have a Ledger affiliate link? Need to buy one today? No, I don't, unfortunately. So you gotta buy from somebody else. Stanko, kako ti je ime? Magnus. Yeah, BD is definitely bipolar. Did you like my prediction for yesterday? Have a long order at 33. It's not actually, you have a long order on 33. You have a long order on 33. That's all the way down here, 33,000. Where is 33,000? Nihal has a buy order on 33,000. I hope for your sake that works out. I don't know. But technically speaking, you know, having buy order below the support of the moving average, like here at 33.6, maybe it should be buy order, you know, holding the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly, you know, it's gonna go up, you know. 33, I think it's too low. I think it's too low. Yeah, I don't know why you have a 33 though. Adopt, what do you think about crypto trading bot? Have you ever tried them? I have never tried them, but I know from people that try them, and they are not getting the results that are actually promised. And the more people are using a bot, you know, the worse it will perform. I asked him about True PNL a while ago, and he doesn't like bots. Yeah, I'm not into bots, guys. I'm not into bots. Like, if you find some bot that's actually making you rich and stuff like that, I'm gonna, you know, say like, okay, now I believe in bots. But I haven't actually met anybody who said like, oh, I bought this bot and I made tons of money. Nobody, zero, never. Tiela, what do you erase things? How do you erase things quickly? What do you hit on the keyboard to make the previous drawing appear? It's just like when you are writing something, you press draw something, Control Z. See, Control Z. You can 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just undo and re-undo, you know. Trade Center is good. I make some money. Thanks. Any questions, guys? Any questions? This is what I think gonna happen. Ron, 50 bucks are only problems that we don't have the problems. Or as you know, as Captain Jack Sparrow would say, the problem is not the problem, it's your attitude about the problem. So there are actually no problems, it's just your attitude about problem that's the problem. There is no problems. What about grid trading? I don't know what grid trading is. VetXRP, 500k BTC, yeah, why not? Why are people going insane? Why not? Can you look at ICP, please? I will just look at ICP because I'm interested. It's going a little bit down. I'm going for a retest on 20 moving average. I don't know. It's interesting. I'm looking at it, but you know, from time to time. Sorry, I just came in. What's the overall sentiment? Are we bull or bearish? I think we are right now not totally bearish yet, even though we fell out of the rising wedge. We are not totally bearish because we got this hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. So I think we might maybe go a little bit up, but overall I think we're gonna go more down. I think we're gonna go more down overall because we are out of this you know, rising wedge, because of the out of that. Have you looked at any alts? I was looking at ETCs above all moving averages, wondering how it did that. Yesterday did like 30% up, so it will be above all moving averages on all the low, small time frames, like 1 hour and less. Then I'm not quite sure if it's above all on the 4 hour. Let's see over here. Yeah, it's above all on the 4 hourly. On the daily, it's not. On the daily, it's hitting the resistance up here right now. So you know, TC Carl. The moon, guys, the moon. Invest in BTT. I'm in for long term, but I can't help looking at the charts all the time. Patience is the game, I guess. A great quote is, the way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Yeah, it's a nice saying. It's a nice saying. It's a nice saying. Having 60% drop and still people FOMO in altcoins gives me more bearishness. This till the time retail put money in BTC, we're not going up. I don't know, man. Even you know, when when altcoins were, you know, bleeding, you know, to that in a previous bear market, people were still buying alts. How much growth in BTC more do you see for the next 5 to 10 years? Now it is not a logarithmic. I don't know if it's not logarithmic. I think it's still logarithmic. I think it's still going up the way it should be going up. Without pulling up some crazy logarithmic metrics and indicators. Technically it is becoming some kind of stable coin, right? I think it is becoming some kind of stable coin. If this is not the top, it's gonna go like this over here. It's gonna be even more pronounced, right? Something like that. But I don't know. I don't see 1 million just yet. I don't see 1 million just yet. You know, can it go up to 1 million? Sure, why not? But I think you know, Bitcoin will eventually become a stable coin at some kind of level. It looks like it's gonna become something constant. No one wants to buy with the current market conditions. But if BTC becomes stable, what use will it have? Store of value. It's not you know, deflationary. So when Bitcoin if Bitcoin eventually becomes stable coin, you know, people just like use it as a currency. Maybe it will actually, right now it says it's a store of value, but tomorrow it will become a currency. Maybe. It's a long way, guys. It's a long way. We are having a small rally upwards from 32, 33. It will go to 42, and then people will be going into bull, and then again nuke it down. I hope you're right about 42, man. I hope you're right about 42. I don't know if it's gonna be 42, but I hope you're right about 42. Why are we still having a lack of volume? Well, you know, people are still not you know, following that much in. There is a little bit volume going on over here on the dump. A little bit volume. It's not big volume like over here. There was some volume here going up here, but you know, we'll see the volume kick in. We'll see the volume kick in once we you know, start breaking the real bullish lines. We'll see the volume kick in. Over here it was a lot of, this is actually quite bullish. The fact that, you know, this candle up here, as soon as we broke down 32,000, went to 28,000, a lot of volume came in over here. So this is a bullish thing. The fact that we had a lot of volume here as well, it's actually also a bullish thing, you know. So as soon as we reach these below 30 levels, you know, a lot of volume kicks in. Hey my friend, today monthly close. Oh, today's monthly close. What should happen? Let's see at monthly, guys. I haven't checked the monthly. What we can tell of the monthly close. Well, these three candles are actually terrible because this is evening star doji. This is some kind of topping out pattern on the monthly. That's terrible, but that's already played out. Right now we are going a little bit down here. You can see it. Let's see the moving averages here. We are still holding the 10 moving average above 34,000. It's actually good. So I don't think we want to fall below 34,000 today. I don't think we want to fall below this level up here. That's actually 34,000, give or take 34,000. Where's 20 moving average? All the way down here. And this 20 moving average on the monthly chart is actually important, because if you look at previous let's do it over here, previous bull runs, it's when you break the 20 moving average, you know, you go down for the kill, right? Breaking the 20 moving average. Also here previously we broke the 20 moving average and we went down for the kill, right? So you know, when you break the 20 moving average, I don't know where the 20 moving average, maybe it is somewhere down here. Maybe this never broke the 20 moving average up here. Doesn't matter. But you can see here, breaking the 20 moving average, like, goes for the kill, and here as well, breaking 20 moving average goes for the kill. So if we break the 20 moving average down here, like down here, it might actually go for the kill. The number 42 came from the moon theory, no such TI in it. It really is come down from 35k. We had a hard time crossing it. I don't know how long it will take to break this time, so have a tight stop loss. Though nothing fly, BTC is down. So I'm just looking at maybe this, you know, maybe this 34,000 will hold. I'm hoping 34,000 will hold. Let's put the 42,000 monthly chart. Over here, monthly. This one. Put the line out. Where's the line here? It's up there. And let's zoom in on this over here and see what's actually happening right now. Yeah, so 34,000 10 moving average on the monthly. It's right over here, right? So if we cross this on the downside tonight, if you cross it on the downside, it's not the best kind of there is no breakfast without TLR report. So yeah, the day is monthly, so you don't want to cross this line down here. I don't care, but you know, 34,000 has the hold. 34,000 has the hold, I think, give or take. What percentage would BTC fall if it reaches 25k? I don't know, right now it would hit, have to go something like 30% down to actually hit it. Michael, help! TLR, make me mod, please. Sorry, man. Michael is got all the cards now, so you know you wanna be mod. You know you gotta make it up to Michael. You gotta make it up to Michael. Anyways, guys, 28 minutes live stream daily. We are still out of the wedge over here. On the 4-hourly, we are holding the 20 moving average, which is actually quite nice. So if this can hold, we can actually go up. On the 1-hourly, we have the RSI Divergence. I'll show you in a second over here. There is some kind of RSI Divergence up here on the 1-hourly, which might actually pump us a little bit, maybe up to the 20 moving average, something like here on the 1-hourly. Where's the 50 moving average? 50 moving average right there. So maybe we can go up to some either hitting the wedge or the 20 moving average. Maybe it's a 1-hourly, so you know it's really weak, but you know it's 1-hourly RSI Divergence. On the 4-hourly, we are holding the 20 moving average that we don't want to cross below, and on the daily we are crossing below the 20 moving average up here on the daily chart, which we don't want to do, but there's still 16 hours left for us to cross actually towards the upside. So you know no danger right yet on the daily chart, but daily chart is supported. We do not cross 34,000 down here because 34, this is the line. 10 moving average on the monthly time frame. You know, if you cross that, you can also be become bearish if you close this on the daily chart at the end of the day. So overall, right now, let's see. You know, there is still 6 minutes left, but you know, whether we're gonna stay below 10 moving average or you know go further down or something like that, it's not that eventful event. It would be maybe nice if you can get above the 35,002 right now. Let's see how 1-hourly actually hitting up. Now 1 hour is gonna close below it, so we are not gonna waste six minutes. Anyways, guys, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Enjoy the down movement, which I think might actually happen. And yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. See, come back tomorrow 9:30 Central European time, because we do this show every single day at 9:30 Central European time. Anyways, guys, where's my stop button? I see people are saying coins hit. There's coins hit. Guppy says we are in bear market. Who's Guppy, man? Who's Guppy? By the way, hi coins hit. What's up? I don't know who Guppy is. I don't know who Guppy is. But you know, there is always somebody saying, you know, it's a bear market, it's a bull market, it's this, it's that. Who are you gonna trust? Who are you gonna trust? That's the question. I think you should trust coins hit because that guy's keeping the optimism up. Anyways, guys, see you around. Boss, more responsibility, more salary. Okay, you can just keep with the spamming the links, man. Yeah, no more salary. I'm sorry, no more salary. We have to. It's a bearish times, no more salary. When bullish times come, you get more salary. But right now, no more salary. No more salary. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna turn this off now. See you around. Bye bye. Tomorrow 9:30.